120 synonyms in English. Begin, start, big, large, brave, bold, break, fracture, small, tiny, exit, live, speak, talk, present, gift, fast, quick, same, alike, near, close, stone, rock, last, final, easy, simple, good, fine, baby, infant, select, choose, accurate, correct, always, forever, connect, join, clarify, explain, sick, ill, raise, lift, under, below, false, untrue, difficult, hard, mistake, error, occur, happen, trip, journey, sad, unhappy, keep, hold, end, finish, respect, honor, get, receive, glad, happy, old, ancient, arrive, reach, damage, hurt, behave, act, correct, right, native, local, show, display, silent, quiet, job, work, under, below, rich, wealthy, strong, powerful, answer, reply, shout, yell, loud, noisy, above, over, pretty, beautiful, slim, thin, house, home, broad, wide, shut, close, calm, quiet, complete, finish, bad, evil, enjoy, like, give, offer, rest, relax, fix, repair, nice, kind, bring, carry, woman, lady, cold, chilly, cry, weep, smart, clever, clean, tidy, stop, halt, fine, nice, energy, power, disease, illness, comment, remark, aim, goal, victory, success, trust, believe, blend, mix, tired, sleepy, gain, profit, center, middle, cut, slice, busy, active, blank, empty, belly, stomach, allow, permit, task, work, search, seek, child, kid, brief, short, total, entire, buy, purchase, writer, author, listen, hear, all, every, say, tell, jungle, forest, hat, cap, collect, gather, nearly, about, most, greatest, idle, lazy, hide, conceal, friend, buddy, ability, skill, normal, usual, believe, trust, forgive, pardon, fresh, new, fraction, part, divide, separate, able, capable, wrong, incorrect, yearly, annually, listen, hear, business, trade, rescue, save, object, thing, write, record. Thank you for watching.